Hi boys and girls, happy Monday. It is time for our Monday phonics lesson. So you're going to watch me and then it will be your turn to repeat. We're going to start with rhyming. Here we go. 1 sun, 2 shoe, 3 knee, 4 door, 5 dive. Nice job. Our next is the onset fluency. We're going to say a word and then say the first sound we hear in that word. Watch me, then it's your turn. 2, t. 4, f. 6, s. 9, n. Go, g. Awesome. Our next one, you're going to need your choppers out because we are going to be blending some words. I'm going to give you 2 parts of a word and then we're going to blend it together. All right? So I go first, then it's your turn. T, oo, two. Or, 4. I've, 5. X, 6. B, oi, boy. Nice job. Our next one, we're going to punch out our final sound. Watch me, then it's your turn. 4, 1, n. 5, v. 6, x. Ship, p. Very good. All right, we're going to need our choppers again for this next one. This time we're going to say the word together the first time and then chop it into syllables. Watch me, then it's your turn. So, s-o. Bite, b-ite. Lip, ip. Right, ite. 1, un. Very good. All right, our next one, we're going to be adding phonemes. So you're going to need your hands for this one. We're going to have parts that we're going to add together. Watch me, then it's your turn. An, add f. Fan. An, add m. Man. An, add k. Can. An, add v. Van. An, add ran. Very good. All right, the next one is deleting. So you're going to have a word in your hands, and we're going to take away a part of that word. All right, our word is sick without s. What's left is ick. Very good. Tick without t. What's left is ick. Wick without w. What's left is ick. Lick without ul. What's left is ick. Chick without ch. What's left is ick. Very good. All right. Today we are going to start with a rhyme. This one isn't a nursery rhyme, I don't think, but we're going to do the first 2 lines today, then you'll repeat, and then tomorrow we'll add some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Very good. All right, we'll learn the next couple lines tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.